Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss how can we convert a txt file into an Excel file using JavaScript. So this was the question asked by the viewer KRGP. What about the other way around, txt to Excel? This video, I'll put the video link top corner of the page or the video which says how to convert Excel file to text file in JavaScript. Now he's asking the reverse way. So in this video, let us discuss that. Without any further ado, let us start the video. I have already created a file txt to Excel.js. I'll write here constant xlsx equal to, here I'll be doing the import functionality. I'll be using require xlsx. So now I'll use a txt file. What is a txt file? Instead of opening a txt file, I'll use xlsx.readFile. I want to read the txt file through xlsx. Okay, what file we can read? If you remember long back, I have converted Excel to txt, right? So this should be the file excelReadFile.txt. Let us open this file. So this is my excelReadFile.txt. We used to have rank, states and population. The rank of the states, it is from the largest to smallest, or from the 7 states, the population of which state was highest. So this was an Excel file. I converted this file to txt. Let us close this. We can use same file. If the file is present in the same directory, we don't have to give the path. Just write the file name. I'll write excelReadFile.txt. That should be more than enough. Now we'll write xlsx dot. If we read the file, we have to write the file. Now the simple thing is write the file, data and the file name. Here the data I'll give txt, comma. The file name I'll give convertedTxtFile to Excel dot XLS. So this should be my Excel file. So let me execute this. Note txt to Excel.js. Before executing that, so converted txt file to Excel is there. It's there. Convert Excel to HTML, JSON to Excel. So that Excel file is not there. Convert JSON to Excel is there, but convert txt file to Excel is not there. So now let me execute this. See, this file convert txt file to Excel got generated. So let me open that file. So now you can see the rank, the states and the population. It is properly arranged. I'll add this code in the description. It is one simple way to convert txt file into Excel file in JavaScript. If you know other methods, let me know in the comments below. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.